The city you live in. 1. What city do you live in? I live in South Tangerang, Indonesia. South Tangerang is a dynamic and rapidly developing city located in the Greater Jakarta metropolitan area. It is known for its strategic location, as it provides easy access to both Jakarta, the capital city of Indonesia, and other major cities in the region. 2. Do you like this city? Why? Yes, I like this city. It offers a perfect blend of modern amenities and natural beauty. The city has well-planned infrastructure, numerous parks, and recreational areas, making it a pleasant and livable place. 3. How long have you lived in this city? I have lived in South Tangerang for the past 5 years. During this time, I have witnessed significant changes and improvements in the city's infrastructure and overall development. 4. Are there big changes in this city? Yes, there have been significant changes in this city over the years. South Tangerang has experienced rapid development and urbanization, with the construction of new residential and commercial areas, improved transportation systems, and the establishment of modern facilities. 5. Is this city your permanent residence? Yes, South Tangerang is my permanent residence. I have settled here with my family, and we feel comfortable and content living in this city. 6. Are people of different ages living in this city? Absolutely. South Tangerang is a diverse city with a mix of residents from various age groups. There are young families, working professionals, and retirees, creating a vibrant and inclusive community. The city offers amenities and activities catering to people of all ages, making it a welcoming place for everyone.